Welcome to another session of BizSight 365. Here we're going to look at importing expenses from a bank file. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to choose the banking section, choose a bank import or a bank reconcile, I'm sorry. And there's different things from reconciling to adding journal entries to importing a bank file. But first we need to select what cash account we're going to be looking at. And if there are transactions or sessions that you were already working on, that will come up. So now I'm going to choose bank import, choose that keywords. Notice the keywords that I can add. These keywords are by vendor or by account, and these are things that you can select the new section up there and then add your keyword and select if it is going to be vendor based or account based. And I have a couple of different formats, and we'll look at one of these formats in a little bit. So I'm going to choose this file called the bank transaction file, which is a CSV file that I downloaded from the bank, and I'm specifically going to choose a particular tab. I chose November, and voila, that's it. And all the transactions that were in that spreadsheet are here. And once here, notice that some are already filled up, and so those are all matched based on the keywords that you had already um, set up in your system. So now I'm just going to fill in the ones that maybe weren't covered by my keywords. So I chose vehicle expense, miscellaneous, and I'm going to um, choose something else here. And then with that, I'm done. I import it in. And I want to take you and show you this file. This is a simple file that came straight from the bank. I haven't touched it. You could choose to bring month at a time, assuming you're doing it every month. Or in some cases, there are folks that are just catching up at the end of the year. Download the file. In this case, I had taken that yearly file and then basically broken it out into chunks so it is easier for me to control and manage. But you can as easily bring in a year's worth of stuff, and it's not what I'm recommending. But if you're going to do it on a month-to-month basis, it is a fairly simple process to import this in. Again, it is that simple. I want to thank you for your time. If you have any questions, please visit us at biztechnologiesonline.com or feel free to send us an email at hello@biztechnologies.co. Again, we'll see you in another video in the future. Thank you.